So guys, I am now, I want to pack or clean this cupboard. Not to clean, but yeah, to clean, because at church we are doing I think it's a donation, a feeding, or even those the ones that they still feed me. I don't have much, but I'm going to take them some out, and I'm going to iron them and pack them nicely. I'm going to take them to church, and we are doing we are doing what do I call it? A giving, or yeah, a giving. We are giving to the people that had floods in KWAZULU-NATAL, KWAZULU-NATAL last month. So I'm going to, there are people that are coming to collect clothes. You can give even money, your money, you can give money, you can give clothes, you can give like any stuff, especially bath soaps and Colgate, things like the things that are non-perishable, things that we use in our day-to-day life. So I'm going to repack this cupboard. I'm going to take out some stuff that I no longer wear. Some they don't fit me, but they are still good, because I cannot give someone that the things that I also don't want to use. So most of the clothes that are in the cupboard, I wear them. As I've said in my last video, that there are clothes that we have, but we don't wear them as often as we wish to, or because yeah, like especially when we are at home. So I'm going to just to repack this cupboard, and I'm going to take some and pack them and wash them nicely and pack them and iron them nicely, and I'm going to take them to church, and they are going to make sure that the people that they need these things, they get them. I also bought some stuff that I am going to take with me on Sunday to church, and yeah, like basic things, roll-ons and see here guys, it's a lot of clothes, a lot of them. I even take out some things there. I'm just going to make sure that I pack everything nicely. I'm still going to iron them, and because today is Saturday, if I'm going to finish them like today, I'm going to take them to church tomorrow. If not, I can still take them on Monday, because I think they were going to be open for us to bring some things that we want to bring. And yeah, I have a very so guys, I've done organizing my cupboard, and I know I didn't put them in order. I just only put my nighties this side guys, and here I kind of mix like my t-shirts and my shorts and some of my skirts, but I did put the things that I'm going to use. Some they are for the bed, and yeah, that's the head, yeah. As you can see, the bed is almost empty. It's just there are a few things that are here on the bed that I'm just going to go ahead and take care of them. Guys, the other day I went to town, and while I was at the chill point, I see this bag. It's written, as you can see, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can be achieved. I just wanted to buy this because of this, and I wanted to look at this every day. Like, yeah, as you can see, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. There were other bags that were written other things, but I specifically wanted this one because of the message. I know I'm not going to use this bag a lot, but I just want, I don't know, I want to put it somewhere in the room where I will just constantly see it every day when I wake up, when I'm in this room, somewhere where I can just hang it this. So guys, what do you think? If I do hang it like this, do you think it is okay? Every time when I go to take something on the cupboard, and then I'll open the door and I will see this, and when I'm done, I'll put it back like this. Just to sit like this when I'm in the bed, because when I'm in the bed there, and when I'm sleeping here in the bed, I can also see this one. Guys, never mind other things, because I'm still busy packing and cleaning. It's already night. I'm tired. I don't know whether I'm going to edit and upload this video today. I don't know, maybe tomorrow or maybe Monday. I'm not sure, because there's still some things in the floor you can see. Yeah, I'm just reorganizing everything, but everything so far so good. And this side, I have my son's clothes, my last born. I think because I'm just, some of the washing, they're still in outside. This side I'm not yet done, but this thing I just put it here because I use it for yeah, and I just try to reorganize everything. And the bag that is going to go to the church is here. Can see it, guys, it is here. I've not yet packed it. This one is not going to go. I just wanted to put these clothes here so that when I reorganized and wash them, there are some are clean, all of them are clean, but I'm just going to wash them and iron them proper and pack them in a very nice I don't have a bag yet. I don't know where I'm going to put them so that I can be able to take to church. I know at church they have some things that they're going to pack them nicely there. I'm just going to make sure that when I take them to church, they're nicely packed, nicely clean, smelling very nice. Yeah, it's just that. And thank you guys for sticking with me today. I know I'm not yet done. I don't know whether I'm going to finish up this vlog. As you can see, the bed is just the bed cover. There's no linen, no anything on the bed, no duvet cover, no blanket, because I've washed my blanket today. Those who were in the bed, I'm going to replace them with some others that are here in, yeah, I'm just going to replace. And yeah, guys, I hope you will enjoy this video. So guys, yeah, thank you.